Hey, Teddy. Oh, Meg's got the ball. Oh no, it's Beth. Beth has the ball. Beth, you're underneath here. Come on out. Where is she? She is... There you are, Beth. Hi, get the ball. Hi, yeah, hi. You left the ball. You left the ball. I know. They go for all kinds of things here. Back to the ball. There she goes. There she goes. Whoa! Off with the ball. To under the azalea. And Mom and Meg are having fun here with Teddy. Where'd you go, Beth? There you are. Hi, Beth. Hi. They are fast. There's Beth and Dad. She's got the ball again. There you are, Beth. Yep. Loving that ball. All right. I'll leave you under there with your ball.